What's up, guys? Bobby Dean here, coming at you with a quick update. I'm super excited. I just received my final parts. This is the last thing that I can do to this truck. Some Injora brass beadlock rings, or beadlock clamp rings. Jesus. This came all the way from China, so this packaging is really thick. There we go. It's super thick plastic there. So we've got some brass rings here. Looks like they have little breather holes. That's cool. Oh, nice. Nice. Check that out. And these are made by Injora. I seen these on eBay, and they were like $10 with free shipping, and it said or best offer, and I shot the guy, I think, a $9 offer, and after taxes and everything it was like $9.87 for a 4-pack of brass beadlock clamp rings, all the way from China to California. That's pretty good. It took about, I want to say, 12 days to get here. They each come individually bagged. That's pretty cool. Keeps them from being scratched, although you're never gonna see them. These are really cool. And these, oh, all right. So these are gonna go inside. Make sure. Yeah, these should fit. These are Injora wheels. So basically I'm gonna take the ring off here, slide the tire out a little bit so I can get that ring, the aluminum ring that's in there, take that aluminum ring out and replace it with this brass ring here.